All right, so here we go. The big thing on this is I want to get speed and let my fan do the work, but I kind of screwed up there. So I'm going to pause up here and let that fan charge. Sorry, give me a second. My mouth is getting dry, and I don't want to listen to it when I talk. Sorry about that. Anyway, let that fan charge up. Now I'm going to try to catch that wheelie boost if I can. I didn't, but oh well. Use the fan right off the bat so it gets charging quickly. Hit it there. Hit it again. And there we go. Okay, so for this event, these are the parts I'm using. You know what? Screw it. So Mountain Max had the landing boost and he has a better time than me, so we'll give it a try. Anyway, gonna give her hell right off the start here. Follow Eric, as you see right there, catch that landing boost, hit the nitrous. And go, baby, go. Nice. Okay, so for this one's really hard to do. The basic strategy sounds simple, but it's tough to do. I don't know how else to say it. It's kind of opposite of one of the other more complex sounding ones that's much more simple, which is actually the next run. So for this one, anyway, sounds simple, but it is not easy to do. You want to carry, you see the parts I got there. You want to carry as much speed as you can with the exception of slowing down in a couple of points. The first one being the gas canister. You want to catch it going forward, not have to back up to catch it. So you don't want to overjump that. And a couple other places I'll call out as I'm in that point. But other than that, you want to be pretty aggressive. Okay, so that gas canister right there, nothing really matters up until here other than you don't want to overjump this. So here we go. Now if I'm on here, I'm just going to go for the biggest jumps I can get everywhere. Jump that. Now here I want to fly far forward but not high, so I correct the car's angle right off the bat. Hit the gas right before I land. Now you're going to watch, there's going to be something coming from the right-hand side of the screen that's going to look like a wave. When it starts getting small, you want to slow down. See that right there, that wave? I don't want to jump big here, so that way I can take off from here again. Give it gas. And that right there is how to do it. It's tough. It sounds simple, but it's tough. Going to the next one, polar opposite. It sounds super complex. It's not. So, right off the bat, those are the parts I'm running. I wish I had a fourth part. I don't. Anyway, the trick here is you don't want to be too aggressive in the start and hit your head. There's that first jump. You don't want to go into the little ditch to get the gas can. You want to fly over that ditch, but you don't want to land too close to the next jump so you can get some speed for it. And then from there, you can run a pretty aggressive run. I know it sounds complex. It's simple. Here we go. So I don't want to be super aggressive and hit my head off this jump. Now this jump I need to go for it. I don't need the gas can, and I overjumped it. Had I not overjumped it and landed there, I'd have jumped over the top there, landed on that island, and then that I just hit my head on, and would have where the driver down was just at right there. That's where I'd have landed and caught a landing boost. I'm gonna try this again. It's hard to talk and do it, I guess. don't want to be too aggressive. Get a decent jump in there, but not too big. I can't talk and do it, guys, but it really is not that hard to do when you're not talking. Hope this helps.